Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a variety fun. Do you want to see what snacks we'll be snacking on this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my variety fun for October just arrived, and it's just in time for the fall season. We have Halloween coming up, so this is the perfect time to not only help with kids that are in school for their snacks, if you have kids that take snacks to school, or just to have snacks around the house to have if you have get-togethers or parties, or if you even wanted to use them to pass out for trick-or-treaters if you don't get that many or you want to give this to them. This is an amazing box. It has everything filled to the brim of snacks that you all know and love. So I love this box. I love getting this box. What I do is when I get it, I cut the top off and put everything in here, and I take it to work and I put it in the break room, and I share it with all of our coworkers, and they love when I get this box delivered. My employee today was already like, oh my gosh, that's the good box. I'm like, yes. He goes, can I see what's in? I'm like, not until I show my viewers first. Then you'll get to see tomorrow. So they get so excited when they see this box. They see it from across the room and they're like, oh my gosh, that's a good box, right? I'm like, yes. So a little bit about Variety Fun. They have two different subscription services. They have this particular one, which is the snack box that is snacks that we all know and love. Then they also have a more healthier snack side as well. You can use my code SheCrafty20 to redeem 20% off your first order, which is amazing. Now, Variety Fun is a subscription service that delivers an assortment of delicious snacks to your home or office. You can also do it if you have an office like I do and take it for your coworkers so they can have a little snack to snack on as well. Now, this box is every month, our team curates a box with variety of tasty cookies, chips, candy, crackers, pretzels, popcorn, and nuts from all of your favorite brands. And there's only been very, very few things that I've found in these boxes that I've never heard of before, but they have all been really good. Now, there's classic and healthy options. There's something for everyone. Now, the fun box gets 40 classic snacks, which is $24.99 a month, which that's what this is. Enjoy a month rotating variety of classic treats, including Lay's, Cheez-Its, M&M's, cookies, Sour Patch, and more. That basically brings it to 62 cents per snack, and that is a really good deal. They also have the Fit Box, which is 30 healthy snacks for $39.99, which brings it to $1.33 per snack. And that one is all healthy, like you can get things with kettle chips, Think Jerky, Skinny Pop, Laura bars. There's just so many fit, good for you, healthier snacks in that one. And then you have this one. Snack boxes are great for packing lunches, game nights, road trips, parties. Keep them in your pantry for everyday snacking. They also donate thousands of snacks every month to families in need, which I love boxes that give back and donate to others. Now, I got an email saying that they revamped their box to a smaller box. And I'm like, I can never get them back in this. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they fit 40 snacks in the box, and they're not just little tiny snacks, you'll see. They did it in efforts to be more environmentally friendly, but not to worry, all the same snacks you know and love are still in the same box. So I don't know how they must play magic every month to get it in this box, but let's see what we're snacking on this month. This is how it looks, and I can never get it back the way that it looks. So let's see here. I have a little card. This is the October box. Hope you are enjoying the fall weather, or is it still 80? It's still in the 90s, not even 80. I wish it was 80s. Or more where you are. Yeah, it's more. Hope you enjoy your October snack box as a Variety Fun partner. Best, the Variety Fun team. Thank you guys so much for sending this to me. They do send this to me to show you guys, and I greatly appreciate it. I love, 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 love this box. because it's everything that we know and love. It's not ones that you're getting them from other places and you don't know what they are, you don't know how they're gonna taste. Everything in this box is really good. So let's go ahead. We have Organics, My Super Cookies, Honey Heroes. Now this is one that I have never seen, but they look like little Teddy Graham crackers, so I'm sure they're going to be absolutely scrumptious. Same brand, here is Chocolate Heroes. Ooh, there's the Chocolate Heroes. Ooh, these are really good. And this is Remy's Graham Crackers and Honey. Remy's Graham Crackers and Cinnamon. This is Abby's Cookies, Chocolate Chip. Abby, where you at, Abby? I hope she gets these in her box because that's really cool. And then here's another Abby cookie, Abby's Shortbread. Abby, did you get these? Oh my gosh, I just love her. Remy's Grams, this is chocolate. Ooh, these are so good, the chocolate graham crackers. Okay, so now we have Pringles. We have 2 original Pringles. And again, all of these are really good, especially if you want to pack snacks for your kids' lunch or when they get home from school. Get one snack, you know, that kind of thing. Here's bite-sized cookies with M&Ms in them. Keebler, yum. Goldfish. Cracker Jacks, crazy cracker. Nutri-Grain Bites. Ooh, I've never seen this from Kellogg's. Grape-tastic. That sounds and looks really good. We have fruit snacks. 70 calorie Fiber One chocolate brownie. Animal crackers. Here's the Kellogg's Nutri-Grain Blueberry. I haven't tried the blueberry. I always get the apple, but I can't wait to try blueberry now. Here's the Savory Chex Mix in Traditional. Cheez-Its Originals. Cheez-Its White Cheddar, and Cheez-Its are my favorite cracker. Here's Hot Fries by Andy Crepes. And we got these in my last box, and you guys were telling me that these were really good, and they are. Here's Pirate's Booty. Booty, that's what it is. There's aged white cheddar booty popcorn. It's booty. Here's Welch's Fruit Snacks. Here is the Fig Bar. Ooh, peach apricot. Here's a CLIF Bar, energy bar, chocolate chip. And I don't think I've ever really tried that, but I see them everywhere, so now I'm glad I can try it. Here's chocolate almond sea salt. Those are really good, the sea salt ones. Here is a chocolate chip cookie dough bar. Here's the Nature's Valley sweet and salty nut peanut. Hey, we got Starburst in the house. Summer Splashin'. What? I've never had the Summer Splashin'. I see watermelon. I love me some watermelon. Summer Splashin'. Oats and Honey Crunch. Oh, and these are so good. These blueberry crackers. These are really, really good. Here's a mystery scented flavored Airhead. I'm an Airhead sometimes. Here's a big pack of Oreos. Here is Crispy Treats bar. We have toasty sandwich crackers with real peanut butter. Grandma's chocolate brownie, and the Grandma's are my favorite. Peanut butter ones are my all-time favorite, but Grandma's cookies are so good. And then here's some oatmeal raisin. And the last item in here, is real peanut butter crackers. So this is just filled to the brim. You have 40 snacks. So again, you can even use this for trick-or-treaters. You can customize the box. If you have kids or anything, you can have them draw on the box or put stickers, something cute and festive for the holiday that you can set by your door when the trick-or-treaters come. You already have it. You grab a snack and hand it to them, or you can just use the box to throw your candy in that you're going to be using for your trick-or-treaters, because this is a nice sturdy box. And again, you can customize it. You can make it nice and festive for the holiday and have it all, put all of your candy in there if you want to reuse the box for that, or use the box for it, whichever you would like to do. Or just keep these in your pantry for snacks, or when you have get-togethers or parties, take it to the office like I do. I just think this is an amazing box because it's all snacks that we like, and I don't know anybody who really wouldn't like more than half of the stuff that's in this box. You don't obviously have to eat it all at one time, thankfully, but you have a whole month that you can savor the snacks and have. I mean, you have 40 of them. So even if you did one a day, that'll last you over a month of snacks. And good thing about this company, they also do bi-monthly. So if getting the snacks every single month is just too much, you can do bi-monthly and get it every other month, like how I get my box delivered to me. So you're not getting bombarded with snacks, but you have just enough. Because again, there's 40 snacks in here, 30 days. You still have 10 for the next month. If you don't have a snack a day, then it will last you longer. So you can do the bi-monthly and not have to do it every single month. So I do appreciate that they do have the different options to do monthly or bi-monthly. They have this snack box, or they have the healthier snack box as well. I will link them down below. Don't forget to use my code to save 20% off your first month's box, because that is amazing. And at this price point, you guys, I mean, $24.99. $24.99 is how much this full box is. And I'm gonna tell you, I can't get these all back in here. This is how Tracy puts them back in. I don't know how they get them in there nice and tight, but they do, and they're not broken or smashed or anything like that. So they do an amazing job packaging it, and now they're more, you know, eco-friendly with the smaller box. So that's awesome as well. So go ahead and check them out. Their link will be down below. Comment down below. Let me know, do you know about this box? Do you get this box? Are you on the fence with this box? Do you like this box? Let me know. All your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. So until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.